All right, what's up guys? This is going to be the beginning of actually taking the transmission out. In the last video, we went ahead and unbolted everything to the transmission, the torque converter, the drive shaft, the cross member, all of that stuff. So now all we need to do is actually just take the transmission out. And Jonathan came over today, brought reinforcements, brought a whole bunch of tools to help me make this a little bit easier. See, I only have 2 jack stands. He brought a whole set, so we're going to jack the back of the car up too. Got a lot of extensions right there. If you guys have never dropped a transmission before, you'll know that having a shit ton of extensions is going to make this job a lot easier, because those bell housing bolts up top especially are going to be hard to reach. And then he brought his impact and a bunch of other cool tools. So we're going to go ahead and hopefully knock this out pretty soon. And then we are also in this video going to install the clutch and flywheel and all that stuff at 1.2. So stick around, and gonna go ahead and prep this to do all that. Okay, so we have the car jacked up all the way around. We're gonna go ahead and finish taking out the drive shaft that's still connected to the rear diff, and then we're gonna go ahead and hopefully get this drive shaft taken out pretty quick and easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that drive shaft out now.
What are we working with, Jonathan? Got about 8 feet of damn extensions. Ow, a lot. That long boy. And so right now we're trying to get these top bell housing bolts off, and then I don't know what the hell we're going to do on the rest of them. I guess we're just going to take all of them out until the bottom 2 are there, and we just say send it and drop the transmission. Not twisted. Damn it. All right, so we have everything undone. It's just getting this big old, hey, whoa. Getting it out. Oh, wobbly boy. Johnny wants to slowly lower it, but it's lowering at an angle. I feel like this bitch gonna slide back and kill one of us.
As long as it's you.
Okay, we'll update whenever we get this bitch out.
Okay, so after a whole lot of fighting and swearing, me and Jonathan have finally conquered the transmission. And so now we're just gonna go ahead and clean up all the tools and just pull the tarp out from under the car with the transmission on it. And then that's should solve everything. My rear main seal was leaking as well, so I obviously didn't install that straight last time because it looks like it's leaking. And then yeah, so anyways, we're gonna go ahead and clean up all the tools, and then I'll show you guys the transmission once we have it cleaned up and out. All right, what's up guys? My new bell housing came in. So let me start by saying this. See the face of this adapter plate? Takes 6 bolts around the side right there. It's the same pattern as this new one, but if we go over here and look, this J3 bell housing has the same pattern, but the actual thickness of the bell housing is a little bit different on the inside, the way that it bevels down, and so it doesn't fit this adapter plate. The spacing of it will not be correct, and so that means we couldn't use that one over there. And so I had to order this J2 bell housing right here. The J1 and J2 bell housings came off of Supras and I think the IS300 and 1JZs, whereas the J3 bell housing came off of the VVTi automatic transmission. So that is the difference, and that's how you know. Another way to know is, it's pretty simple. There's a casting mark right here on the top. That one says J3. The one over here says J2, so pretty simple. We're gonna go ahead and bolt this thing up now to the new adapter plate, so that way the transmission will be complete. Alrighty guys, got the bell housing bolted on, and it is now a solid, complete transmission. So now what we need to do is we need to figure out if we need a shifter or not. So what I mean by that is we have to measure the transmission and measure from the bell housing back and see exactly where this stock shifter lines up. I'm pretty positive we're going to need a new one, and I just want to clarify before I go and buy one. So I know the certain range of measurements that I need it to be, so now we're just going to measure from the bell housing face back and see where it ends up lining up. Alright guys, so this video got cut a little bit short. I didn't get to show you guys my new flywheel or any of that stuff because I found out that my rear main seal needed to be replaced and I couldn't get one locally, so I had to order one. This is now a few days later. The rear main seal just came in, so tomorrow I'm going to be putting it in and I'll be able to show you guys some more stuff. So we're going to have 2 videos this week. This video is going to come out tomorrow on Wednesday, and then I'll have another video out either Thursday or Friday. 2 videos this week. Once again, sorry that it got cut short, but I got a lot of goodies to tell you guys in the next video. So stick around for that, and in the next video we're going to be taking the stock flex plate off, changing the rear main seal the right way, and then putting on my new clutch and flywheel. So stick around for that, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We are super close to getting this stuff out. The next video in this series is going to be titled the CD009 swap. And so other than that, guys, stick around, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're just now checking in, subscribe for more, and stay tuned for that next one this week, guys. Peace.